It's early, it's Monday, and we're knocking at the door of March. God, it's been the most despicable winter. Cold, coarse, running through your veins. Dark at 3 p.m, rain like there's no tomorrow. Setting the alarm clock and thinking to yourself, I could clearly and easily reset the alarm clock to sleep an entire day. The bleakness of winter, the cascade of what can only be described as shit. We didn't need it. It was melancholy, mundane, profuse in its entanglement of more shit. I've woken up to a order from Amazon Fresh. I ignored the bell and the knock on the door, but when the phone rang reminding me that the contents of the Amazon bags were at my door, it led me to avoid 3 cats, brave the coldness, and stand partially clad saying thank you to Jeff Bezos' messenger. Now I think, wow, I've just written to Ian Hislop. It's not exactly true, and I've not written to famous people before. And I can tell you, it's no great accolade to remind myself and both the listener that none of them ever wrote back. How great it must be to be in a position where you receive adulation that roadblocks replies. I think there's something good about always believing something good can happen. But what is good? As a 58-year-old man, do I believe I'll be plucked from obscurity? Do you really end up writing to people at this age because you've missed the X Factor deadline? Maybe there's something to be gained from just trying it anyway. Yeah. In the end, we remember not the words of our enemies, but the silence of our friends, said Martin Luther King.